Is your child's cough sticking around longer than it should? Let's figure out when it's time to stop waiting and see a pediatrician. Hi, I'm Dr. Suhas Nala, pediatric intensivist at Miracle Hospital, Pediatrician. So coughs are common, but some aren't worth ignoring. If your child's coughing lasts more than 3 weeks, or if you notice wheezing or struggling to breathe, or the symptoms become worse at night or early morning, fever, fatigue or weight loss, it could be asthma, allergies, adenoids or even chest infection. So if this sounds familiar, it's time to visit your pediatrician. A lingering cough isn't something to brush off. Early treatment can make a big difference. Thank you.